Hello viewers, welcome to Diba's recipe. Today I am going to show you how to cook bhuna chicken. In a deep pan, take 1/4 cup of oil and let it heat up. Add 1 teaspoon pachforon, 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, 2 bay leaves, 6 pieces cloves, 4 to 5 pieces whole black pepper, 4 to 5 pieces cardamom, and let the garam masalas fry for a while. Add 1 cup of chopped onion and let it fry till it becomes golden brown. Now put 1 kilo of curry cut chicken into the pan. Add 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 2 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, and add salt to taste. Now mix all the masalas with the chicken and stir very well. In Bengali, this stirring process is called kosha. Add only 1 cup of boiled water for this kosha process and stir very well. The duration of whole kosha process is 10 to 15 minutes. During this kosha process, add half cup of beresta and 1 teaspoon sugar. After the kosha process, I am going to put the lid on the pan and cook under low heat for 10 minutes. Repeat this process till the gravy becomes dry and the chicken becomes very tender. Our bhuna chicken is done. Dear viewers, hope you like my recipe. Thank you for watching.